All right, all right, all right. We are live. Coming back at ya with the 2021 Mosaic NBA hobby. And I'm excited about this one. So, ready to get started and rocking and rolling. My name's Tommy Ayers, coming at you from Iowa. And just like you see here, we're going to do this here sealed hobby box live. I'm going to read the starting lineup, and then we're going to jump on in. Jeremy, I did receive that. So Jeremy Thompson has the Lakers and the Suns. And then I'll read the rest of the lineup here. We do have one unpaid team, the Clippers. So if anybody wants the Clippers for $5, I'll put that in the comments. Let's see here. Get this video in the featured section. Stuff. All right. We're ready to rock and roll. So yeah, who is it? Is it the Clippers? Let's see. Yeah, Clippers. Clippers. Available. $5. Yeah, first to comment Clippers can have them. But otherwise, we won't spend too long on the Clippers, that's for sure. We'll just eat them up like breakfast. Breakfast is supper time. It's definitely ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string. Get my sign a little lower so you can see what it is. Yes. Got you, Jeremy. All right. Hey, Alex, what's happening? Right in the comments there. Yeah, just the Clippers. So if anybody wants the Clippers, then we'll sell them. Otherwise, just going to go ahead and read the starting lineup here and jump on in. I'm real excited about these. I've watched some breaks, but I've not put my hands on these Mosaic basketball cards yet. Very excited. Mosaic's definitely my favorite set, just in general. But been seeing these basketball cards and they look fantastic. Of course, I think the only thing for sale yet is the hobby. But of course, once they hit the stores, I'm not going to see them at the store anyways. Is that right? Hey, what's up, Alabama? Okay, cool, Alex. What other teams do you got? And you want Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App? All right, Venmo. Let's see here. I think I'm at Athletic Robots. Or the Cash App is the same thing, I believe. Oh, Sixers? Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you very much. Jump on in. Hey, what's up, Nick? Hey, there's two Morrises in this break. Dwayne and Nick Morris. How many Morrises are there? I suppose there's probably a ton of Morrises. Did you, Dwayne? Yeah, Dwayne. You got outbid because they weren't going to pay. Brian, yes, we are going to pull fire. No matter who comes out, it's definitely going to be in fuego. All right, cool. Alex, I got your $5 there. So Alex paid, what did we do? The Clippers. All right, so Alex, you got the Clippers. And that's it, guys. That was the only team that was unpaid. So let me read the rest of the starting lineup here. And I did Jeremy's 2 teams as well. So Jason Anderson is not going to get the Clippers because he didn't pay. So let's boot that. Okay. Alright. So let me get to the awaiting shipment here. Okay. Alright, thank you all for joining on time. Dwayne Morris, represent, welcome back. You got the Pistons and Rockets. Kyla, I think I can do your last name. Cars. I don't know. Is it Karks? I'm working on that last name, but the Grizz and the Bucks. Welcome back. William Smith. Welcome back. You've got the Nets and Knicks. Robert Johnson. You have the Heat, Magic, Blazers, Kings, and the Raptors. Dr. Benjamin Thomason. You have the Hawks, Cavs, Nugs, Spurs, and the Wiz. Congratulations. Matthew Kuhn, you've got the Jazz. And there's Alex. So Alex has the Sixers and the Clippers. Jeremiah Carlton has the Thunder. Brian Sulish, there you go with the Pelicans. Gonna go for some Zion Magic. Who's the rookie this year? Oh yeah, Shakira. Go for some Shakiras. Michael Bostrom, you've got the T-Wolves. Joseph Kroos, you've got the Pacers. Mark Reinhardt, the Warriors. Tommy Rios Sr., nice name there, Tommy. I like that. That's my name. The Mavericks. And there goes Mike Truman. Welcome back with doubles. Going for those Chicago Bulls. All right. And here goes the big dog, Nick Morris, with the Hornets. Let's get those LaMelos. And last but not least, Aaron Evangelista. I'm working on that with the Celtics. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, so first person to comment pack gets a free pack put into their package of these. I do have a whole bunch of these. 2021 Chronicles Draft Picks Basketball. So, first person to comment pack. There goes Alex. All right. There goes Billy. There goes Ben. Oh, he's it. Oh, is it in the mat? Oh. All right. Pretty good, guys. That's pretty good. I'm going to send a pack to all of you that commented pack. Congratulations. It is the gift-giving edition of Live Breakage. So, congratulations. Also, the big stack of cards to the right of the box are Kid Reporter cards for the NFL Kid Reporter contest. So, if you want to just comment Kid Reporter, I got approximately 500 of these, and I know Jeremy Thompson's going to want some, so I'm going to send some to him too, but whoever commented pack is getting a pack, Brian. That is correct. Yeah, you just type in the word pack, and if you have a team in this break, I'm going to put a pack in your package. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. How you like that? It's the gift-giving edition. If I could sing, that whole song, I Probably still wouldn't, but. Alright. Yeah. It's all good. So yeah, if you have a kid, what is the ages on this thing? If you have a kid that's between 7 and 13, you could do these kid reporter deals on the Panini app, I believe. I don't know if you have to mail them. I don't know what. Yeah, they're just a little QR code, Dilly. I'll send you a whole bunch of them if you want. So just type in kid reporter. I got like 500 of them. So I've just been kind of stashing them. I tried to sell them, but nobody wants to buy them. So, anyways, all right. Let's get these gloves on for surgery. We're gonna jump on in. I have to go and look back on the video for who I was getting a pack, but I got more packs too, so pay attention. I don't know. I didn't really think this ahead as to the criteria for what I was going to do, but I got a whole bunch of packs over here. So, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Alright. Yeah! A little wobble wobble. Alright. I'm totally excited for this hair break. I don't care who you are. This will probably be my last one until after the holidays and stuff. So, Merry Christmas to everybody and stuff. But, anyways, I'll get these out of the way. Kid reporter cards. I have, like, the mother load. I've been stashing them. I don't know. I don't have a kid in that age range, so I can't really do anything with them. So if nobody says anything, I'm just going to send them all to Jeremy Thompson. Yeah, Dwayne Morris, pack. Dwayne Morris is going to get 2 packs. He's got it figured out. Uh-oh, home security. There he is.
Wait. Starts at 9:30, right?
I think 9 o'clock.
Oh.
Does it say 9:30 on there?
No, I must read the time though.
Oh.
Well, perfect timing, I guess.
Yeah, perfect timing.
I'll be right back.
We don't need a sorting table because it's not that many cards. What you can do is just, I'll do the first half and then you can do the second half.
Okay, sounds good.
So TJ just got home right at the nick of time so that he can jump on in and do half of this. So this is exciting. Let's read what it says here first. Unwrapped 5 silver prism and 15 mosaic prism per box on average. Look for ultra rare inserts, including stained glass, straight fire, and more. Not gonna read that. This says the same thing. 15 cards per pack, 1 autograph per box on average, 10 packs per box, 2021 NBA trading cards. Let's do this. Alright. Spicy. I'm feeling the force. I don't care who you are. Definitely been feeling the force on this box. Oh, look at that. So these boxes are super cool. Boxes. Let's see. How do I do the folding, I wonder? Probably just goes back behind them. Let's see here. Yeah, it just goes like that. Okay. Okay. So yeah. 10 packs, right? Yep, 10 packs. Alright. So, best of luck to everybody. Let's see here. I wonder where to put this beauty. Let's put it right there. Oh, put it right there. Okay. Alright, sweet. So, I'll do the right side, and then I'll let TJ do the left side. We just don't know it yet. Alright, pack number 1. Look at that. Luka Doncic right off the get. There you go, Mavs. Just a base, but My first direct look at the Mosaic basketball set, so that's cool. Tyler Hero, Derek White, the Joker, Nikola Jokic. Look at his hair in that picture. The Brow, Anthony Davis, Kyrie, Drew Holiday, Reggie Bullock, Tyrese Halliburton rookie card coming at ya. NBA debut.
Kings.
Nice Kings. So the NBA debut is much less pronounced this year. It's a lot. Last year, I'm pretty sure it was up top and much bigger.
I like that a lot better.
Yeah, this is nice and clean.
Not as chunky.
That's cool. So this rookie was not in. I don't know. I don't recognize Isaiah Joe from the Sixers. Jerry West, all-time greats for the Lake Show. And LeBron James, National Pride, Silver Mosaic.
There you go, Lakers.
That's sweet. Wow.
That looks cool.
That's got to be nice. Okay, we like that. This looks Utah Jazz, Royce O'Neal, Prism. So it's just a red prism then, not numbered. Royce O'Neal. The Brow Stairmasters. He does have one eyebrow, in case you guys want to know what that means. And John Morant montage for the Grays. All right.
I hope we get a stained glass.
Yeah, it says stained glass and something about straight fire.
Yeah.
And I think the stained glass are more, well, I hear at least they're more common this year than they were last year.
Yeah.
They're still cool cards, but they're not as rare.
I remember seeing them last year, and those were really cool looking.
Excuse me. So we got the Lake Show going good. The Kangs. All right, Brian, let's get that Zion. Okay, I'm going to do the right side. TJ, you can do the left side. I love nice and big packs. I mean, these are nice and filled. Love it. We did get a Royce O'Neal base, Thaddeus Young. We got a backwards DeJounte Murray, and it's just backwards. So here they go again, TJ. They're throwing in backwards cards on us that are just base cards.
Really?
it was backwards. Bam Adebayo, Kelly Oubre Jr., Jay Crowder, Jairus Jackson. And we got a rookie card for the Grizz, Desmond Bain. That's nice. Nice one. Peyton Pritchard, NBA debut. There you go, Celtics. That's cool. Look at his hair. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Look at his hair. Does he look like a skunk? He's got, like, what is that? Cornrows? I don't understand.
It's a very short buzz cut.
P. Willie for doubles. He'll be back. And when he comes back, how good are the Bulls going to be? They're already really good.
And I would assume is looking really good.
I'm watching the Lakers-Bulls game right now, as a matter of fact. Carmelo Anthony is a defensive liability. All right, there you go, Warriors. James Wiseman, National Pride. Nice hit. And our first silver prism. This one here is a Sekou Doumbouya.
I find it weird they don't put the rookie card symbol on those National Pride ones when they're rookies.
Interesting. I didn't notice that. We did get a rookie red mosaic of Jalen Smith for the Suns. That's cool. We'll case that up for you. Introductions, Obi Toppin. So, introductions.
Oh!
And Men of Mastery, Kevin Durant for the Nets. Is that something special? That's just a...
I think
It says
it's
prism.
just a good insert.
So silver mosaic prism, Men of Mastery. That's sweet. The net's got a little justice. I'll throw that in a case. Now, just like it states in the auction description, we will sleeve everything that's not a base card, and the hits will go into top loaders. And stuff. What? You lost? Just a regular. Right, just a regular
insert.
yeah. Well, we'll give it some justice for now.
It's KD. Might as well.
So far, so good. I've been buying the Mosaic baseball cards as well. They're not, they don't have the names of the teams on there because they're Panini. But I still just like the Mosaic layout and so forth. No matter what. I got who's the Pache auto. And that's pretty cool. Okay, that was 2 packs. It took me 85 minutes, but I'm just a little excited. This is my first Mosaic basketball. So I just want to make sure soak it all in. We do got a Blake Griffin, Darius Garland, Rudy Gobert, Jaylen Brown, Aaron Baines, Andre Drummond, Boban Marjanovic, Obi Toppin, NBA debut. There you go, Knicks. That's a good one. Jaden McDaniels for the T-Wolves. That's sweet.
T-Wolves.
That's nice. Allen Iverson, all-time greats. Ijarish Green, rookie for the Mavs. Lonzo Ball, silver mosaic for the Pelicans. That's cool. He's playing right now. Of course, on the Bulls, but that's nice. We got a pink, it looks like. Cameron Johnson. Numbered. 32 out of 49. Sweet. So there you go, Suns. Is that you, Jeremy? I believe that is Jeremy. Congratulations. Suns. Nice hit. Blue chips, James Wiseman. So Warriors get another Wiseman. There's a little Wiseman. And RJ Barrett Stairmasters is a silver mosaic for the Knicks. That's nice. Pink numbered card. So that's our first numbered card of the break. I don't know how many numbered cards to expect or what have you.
Well, there's 5 silver prisms and 15 mosaic prisms.
Right, but that doesn't tell you how many numbered.
Yeah. I wonder if it varies. I don't. Maybe it's not a certain number.
I bet.
Just got to get lucky with the prisms.
I bet they're rare. Out of 50, I mean.
Yeah, I'm sure that doesn't come every box.
That's our hit of the break so far. I'd say. Till we pull that LaMelo Ball auto out, I mean, that'll be our hit. I like this Lonzo Ball. I want the middle brother to get up in the NBA as well.
He finally got some G League minutes, and he scored like 15 points in 15 minutes or something.
Isn't he shorter than LaMelo?
I think so.
It looks like he is when they
He's
stand.
a lot bigger and stronger than
Right.
the two, though.
But he just looks shorter. So it's funny. Isn't he a power forward?
Something like that. And he's the best shooter out of all 3.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, well, not harder to have better form than Lonzo Ball.
Yeah.
Michael Porter Jr.
I think LaMelo's is worse.
Otto Porter Jr. That's funny. Michael Porter Jr., Otto Porter Jr. That's a tongue twister. C.J. McCollum, Monte Morris, Talon Horton Tucker.
Taylor Horton Tucker.
Talon?
Yeah.
That's what his name is. Brick Sitter. Lou Williams. Thanos Antetokounmpo. That's funny. I've never seen his card before. Thanasis. Tyrese Maxey, National Pride for the Sixers. Kevin Durant Finals MVP for the Warriors. There you go, Warriors. Cole Anthony, there you go, Magic.
There you go, Magic.
NBA debut, spicy. That's a hit. We got another Obi Toppin. This is his base rookie.
We got a lot of Obi Toppin.
Did I case? I think we're casing Obi Toppin. I don't know why, but the Brow, Anthony Davis Silver Mosaic. All right, I like that one as well. Aaron Baines, Red Prism for the Raptors. Damian Lillard, Men of Mastery. And Center Stage, Ja Morant, Prism. So it's a probably a Silver Mosaic Center Stage. Then?
I think.
Not sure how these work, but that looks to be a silver. It doesn't seem to have any color to it. I don't believe it's numbered. Nope. So it's probably an insert that has Mosaic prisms and stuff.
Oh, that's a hit.
This is a hit?
That's like 30 bucks, 30, 40.
There you go, Grizz. Can't say we never gave you nothing.
God, that is a cool card. That looks so cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
I thought it was a stained glass at first when I saw all the different colors like that.
It is stained glass looking. Lonzo Ball is Brick City. He needs to pass that. Don't he know his main strength? Oh! That's game... Or no, that's not game.
50 seconds left.
Why are they... Oh, that was just shot clock that they were beating.
Yeah.
I thought they were beating the game clock. Oh, my God. Get all excited.
They're up by one now, though.
Sorry, watching the Lakers-Bulls game, ladies and gentlemen. And the cards. So I'm, like, extra excited. Planned it that way. Cole Anthony. NBA debut coming at ya.
Uh-oh, they're Rosen again. Oh, he missed it. Oh, they got the rebound?
How did the Bulls get DeRozan? They got everybody all at once. Lonzo Ball, DeRozan, the rookie too, DeSumo, the dude who's injured, P. Willie, they got him last year. Caruso. That team is...
They just got Vucevic last year.
Yeah, Vucevic too.
The Bulls were terrible before like the middle of last year, and now they're a contender.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive. All right, this will be my last pack, and then we'll let TJ jump in here.
You probably shouldn't be playing with this.
All right, we got a John Wall, Nemanja Jellicoe, Rajon Rondo, PJ Tucker, Mike Conley, LaMarcus Aldridge, Daniel Tice, Devontae Graham, Tony Parker, all-time greats, Precious Achiuwa, rookie for the Heat, Tyrese Maxey, there you go. NBA debut. There you go, Sixers. That's nice. And Tyrese Maxey, Silver Mosaic Prism.
There you go, Sixers?
You know, that's good. That's nice. See if I can get it to focus on the pose there. That's sweet. That's a cool card. Speaking of Vucevic, there goes a red prism. Nikola Vucevic. That's cool. Trae Young Stairmasters and Trae Young Montage. So a couple nice Trae Youngs there for the hacks. All right, I'll case these up and then we'll let TJ jump in. We will do a review of the hits at the end, and we will upload the video to YouTube as well. Like I say, make sure you get into the comments the word pack. Because everyone who's in this break that comments pack, we're going to send a free pack to of the 2021 Chronicles Draft Basketball. Oh, yeah, before TJ jumps in, let me... I'm going to open this for myself just to see what happens. I'm going to open a couple of these. And if you guys want any of these, let me know. Corey Risper, Davian Mitchell, Treyman, Davian Mitchell, Treyman. What? Davian Mitchell, Treyman, Davian Mitchell, Treyman. Charles Bessie, Evan Mobley, he's good. Jalen Suggs, Recon, that's cool. Cade Cunningham, Playbook. Keon Johnson, Corey Kispert, Davion Mitchell, Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham again, nice. Jalen Suggs. I don't know, I'll probably just divide these into the teams actually. I don't know. I just want a Luka Garza. That's really the only one. Let's see what else we got here. Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham, Jalen Suggs twice. Jonathan Kuminga, he's good. We'll send that with the Warriors. Isaiah Jackson, Franz Wagner for the Magic. That's sweet. That's a cool looking one.
Silver?
Evan Mobley. It just says E. Essentials.
Ah.
Interesting. Jalen Suggs, Playbook. Isaiah Jackson. Io. Keon Johnson. Scotty Barnes. Franz Wagner. Jaden Springer. I'm going to open one more of these. Discuss. But, yeah, if you want to comment packs in the... Hey, Tommy, there you go. You want the Davion Mitchells, Dwayne? Kuminga, too? All right. All right, cool. Io, Keon Johnson, Corey Rispert, Kispert, Treyman, Charles Bossy. Oh, here we got a Mosaic. That's cool. That's so funny. That goes with what we're doing today, doesn't it? What team's Corey Kispert on, TJ? Do you know?
Wizards.
Sweet. So we'll send that along with the Wizards. That's cool. I'll put that in the Mosaic pile. Io. Another Io. This is a Gala.
Cool.
Gala rookies. That's cool. Io. Evan Mobley. Isaiah Jackson. Another Io. We got 82 Ios. God, they're all up. Keon Johnson. Oh, my God. Jared Butler, Kai Jones, and Greg Brown. Wow. Anyways. All right. We'll let TJ jump in. Let's see what he's going to do. Watch out, the puppy's right down there.
Okay.
He wants to help. I haven't pulled the auto yet, so TJ's going to get that fire out.
Oh, yeah.
Let the lava out the volcano.
Anybody other than... What's his name? Anybody other than DeAndre Bembry.
Well, yeah, that was TJ's hit that he pulled out of Prism, I believe, basketball.
I think so. Yeah, out of the...
Purple Wave.
Yeah,
Out of the blaster.
the gravity feed. Yeah. No, that one was Paul Millsap.
Empty box.
Basically the same thing, though. Okay.
So yeah, for whatever reason, the comments aren't showing up on my phone, but we've got the laptop up here.
Robbie looking for that Halliburton auto? Hey!
Ooh,
No.
that'd be sweet.
Come on.
He's
Get out of
fine,
there.
you can sit there.
He's digging in the garbage.
Oh.
Come on.
Need him out.
Come on. Go. Go. No, keep going. No, little more.
Oh, 2 cups. Oh boy. Alrighty. Let's get into it. Second half of the Mosaic Hobby Box.
Here we go!
Got Vooch, Grayson Allen, Kristaps Porzingis, Derek Jones Jr., Kevin Love, Trey Burke, De'Aaron Fox, Anthony Edwards. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. T-Wolves.
Nice. Look at that pose.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice pose.
Look at that, T-Wolves.
Ooh.
Wait, who's that in the background? They got somebody in the background about to get dunked on. There we go, T-Wolves. Tracy McGrady, all-time greats.
That's cool.
Onyeka Okongwu. Devin Vassell, NBA debut. Alex Caruso, silver. Here you go, Lakers. Are we casing all the prisms? Or no? Okay. Jaylen Brown. Mosaic looks to be red. Not numbered. Mosaic red. Jaylen Brown. Here we go, Lakers. Men of Mastery, LeBron James.
LeBron James.
What is this? Overdrive. Joel Embiid. Not numbered is a prism. There we go, Sixers.
That's cool.
What about this one? No. Hakeem auto incoming? That would be crazy.
Who? Akeem Olajuwon?
Yeah, that would be insane.
The dream. In his prime, he was the only player better than Shaq.
Mavericks, there's something on the back for you. Not sure what it is, but it is a Maverick. Josh Hart, Lauri Markkanen, Matisse Thybulle, Chris Boucher, Gordon Hayward, Joe Harris, Cameron Payne, Jared Allen, Paul Reed for the Sixers, rookie, Jason Tatum, National Pride, Sam Merrill, Killian Hayes, silver rookie. There you go, Pistons.
Nice.
Thaddeus Young. Looks like it might be another red. Yeah, not numbered. Another red. Stairmasters KD. And a Luka Doncic montage.
Nice. The Mavs like that guy.
For good reason. Okay. Oh, let the computer shut off. Cannot at the moment see your comments. Give me 1 second.
Oh, wait.
I won't be able to see the comments for just a little bit. Waiting for the computer to boot back up. Got 3 packs left. I'll do it after this pack. Spencer Dinwiddie, Donovan Mitchell, Aaron Gordon, Rashawn Holmes, DeAndre Ayton, Kyle Lowry, Serge Ibaka, Devin Vassell, Onyeka Okongwu, NBA debut, Mason Jones, rookie for the Sixers. We got our backwards card here. Could this be the auto?
You can do it!
OPJ on the Magic. Otto Porter Jr.
Huh.
Autographs.
Nice. Oh, look at that. Silver Mosaic.
Silver Mosaic. Otto Porter Jr. auto. There you go, Magic. Not numbered. There you go, Magic.
I do like that. TJ mentioned how the autos were on top, and I thought that was kind of strange.
Yeah, I wasn't sure how I felt about it. And I was saying in person, it doesn't look as bad as I imagine. I think it's just the change that I don't like, but you know, you can't be afraid of change.
Maybe it makes it, well, is it still on a sticker?
Yeah.
That's something that I disagree with. On Mosaic especially, it's a thick cardstock. They should just sign them on card.
Yeah.
Anyways.
There you go, Magic. Who's talking about Hakeem? Hold on. Let me get the comments back up. There. Alrighty, comments should be back. Downside of Mosaic is sticker autos. Oh, Dwayne, you were saying Hakeem. Well, here's a silver all-time greats Hakeem.
Yeah.
Close enough to the auto, right? There you go, Rockets. Nikola Jokic looks to be a red, not numbered. There you go, Nuggets. Blue Chips, Tyrese Maxey. And Men of Mystery, KD. Men of Mastery. I think I said Mystery. Yeah, Dwayne, that's what they do for the first off the line is the 2 guaranteed swirls. The pink swirl and the green swirl. It's been a maxi and topping box. That's for sure.
Don't forget a Kongwu.
Have we gotten a couple of Kongwus?
The hacks.
Trae Young, Paul George, Wendell Carter Jr., Sekou, Clint Capella, Rudy Gay, Brandon Ingram, Magic Johnson, all-time greats. Poku. Here we go, Thunder. Paul George, National Pride. LeBron James, Finals MVPs. Here we go, Lakers. We got a silver Brandon Ingram. Not numbered. And a Jared Allen. Looks to be another red. Not numbered. Kristaps Porzingis, montage. We got another center stage. Kemba Walker.
Ooh, that's cool.
These just look so cool. Not numbered. Oh. Lakers box, yeah. I've gotten quite a bit of Lakers.
Yeah, definitely. Including Alex.
Yeah, and if they had any rookies to get, then we might be getting them. But
They don't need no stinking rookies.
they traded all their draft picks away for their 37-year-old team.
Mega lineup.
You got to do what you got to do. LeBron's not going to be around forever. Alrighty, last pack of the Mosaic hobby. Let's make it a banger. See if we can see the first LaMelo of the break.
You can do it.
At least I think the first LaMelo. Lonnie Walker, Goran Dragic, Damian Lillard, Cam Johnson, Caruso, Victor Oladipo, Kawhi Leonard, Anthony Davis, National Pride, Malachi Flynn, Aaron Nesmith, NBA debut, Zeke Naji, Silver Giannis.
Nice.
There you go, Bucks. Get your silver Mosaic Giannis. Blue Alfred Payton.
Nice.
73 of 99. There you go, Knicks.
So we got a blue and a pink and an auto. Nice. That's good for one box, I'd say.
Maybe that's the per box on average is the 2 numbered parallels and auto. There you go, Knicks. Got you a blue Alfred Payton. Then there is a Stairmasters, RJ Barrett, and silver Mosaic blue chips, Tyrese Maxey.
Ooh.
We got the base blue chips and the silver Mosaic blue chips, Tyrese Maxey.
Nice.
It really was a Maxey break. Oh my.
Nice.
All right, so I'll get all these cased up and then do a review. Okay.
That way you can just say, we got some silver mosaics.
What? They're not silver mosaics?
That is it?
No.
Oh.
I think they're just prisms of their own.
Oh, they're all like that.
Yeah.
Nice. What we call them anyways.
Yes. Okay. So we'll start with the silver mosaics. Got an Anthony Davis, Men of Mastery, KD, Giannis, blue chips, Tyrese Maxey base, base silver mosaic, and Alonzo Ball. And for the other parallels, we got Killian Hayes silver, Kemba Walker center stage, Joel Embiid overdrive, John Morant center stage, and Jalen Smith red. And we got all of the rest of the mumbo jumbo. LeBron James finals MVPs, Anthony Edwards, Tyrese Maxey NBA debut, Cole Anthony NBA debut, Obi Toppin, James Wiseman blue chips, Obi Toppin NBA debut, Desmond Bain, James Wiseman National Pride, Tyrese Halliburton NBA debut, Poku, blue chips Tyrese Maxey, and Men of Mastery LeBron James. And then we got our hits. We got the blue Alfred Payton, numbered 73 of 99. The numbered Cam Johnson, 32 of 49, looks to be pink. Silver Mosaic LeBron James, National Pride. And the Otto Porter Jr. Auto, silver Mosaic. And that is it.
The auto.
The auto.
Auto.
Auto autographs.
All right, guys, we'll get these shipped out tomorrow. So other than that,
Not sure if we'll have a chance to talk to you again before Christmas, so happy holidays. Have a good time with it, and I think that's all we got to say.
that's all I gotta say.
Have a good one. See ya!
See ya.